Hello, good morning. My name is Jeneline Arga, 36 years old, a single mother of 3 from Philippines. Currently living here in the Philippines, looking for a job. I have a works experience as a domestic helper / nanny in Saudi Arabia for 5 executive years. From September 2018 to October 2023, I do cleaning such as bedrooms, bathrooms, cooking, baking, washing, and ironing clothes, but my main duty is to look after the youngest daughters, ages 12 to 7 years old. And along with this is to keep them clean, prepare their food every day, and help them to do their homeworks. I know it's a huge responsibility and takes a lot of patience, love for work, and understand and passion. I am a person who easily get attached with the kids, a loving, dedicated nanny, kind, understanding, and enjoy being with them and love them as my own. Thank you so much, and I hope to see you soon.